if they're put on properly, the hole is to the back, you see. So that even if I can get the key away from the police officer, I can't reach the hole because it's in the back. See? Impossible. Let me show you what I came up with. I'm not going to tell you exactly how I do this because I don't want this portion of the program to be too educational. By the way, I can start with the handcuffs put on behind me. People often ask that. The way I do it is I bring the handcuffs around to the front first. But it hurts quite a bit, so we'll skip that part tonight. Question the impossible.